Did you know that there are over 2.5 million Amazon sellers worldwide? And did you know that the main reason why these sellers are going to fail is because they didn't do product research properly? Well, let me introduce myself. My name is Trevor Peterson. I'm a multiple six-figure Amazon seller, and I'm really excited about what I have to offer for you guys today. I've been getting flooded with DMs, comments, messages on how do I do product research? How am I able to successfully launch profitable products time and time again in 2019? That is the question that I get asked literally every single day. And so what I decided to do is to put together a step-by-step training course just focused on product research, nothing else. Only on product research, on what I look for in a product, how I verify whether a product is profitable, whether it's viable, what is the competition like, what is the demand, is it a restricted product, is it in a gated category? There's so much that goes into a product, into product research, and I'm going to literally show you everything that I know about product research to help you find that first successful product to sell on Amazon. So with all of that in mind, what I have to offer for you guys today is complete full access to the Amazon FBA Champion Product Research course, where it's going to teach you everything that I know about product research, how I find products, and how you can find a product that's going to generate thousands of dollars every single month. And if you guys don't believe me, let's dive into my seller account, show you guys that I'm a current FBA seller and what I teach actually works and it's up to date. So right now it's just 2 o'clock, and as you guys can see, in the last 30 days, I've done over $75,000 in revenue because of these product research techniques that I'm going to show you. So if it wasn't for these techniques, I wouldn't have found these products that are generating me 5 figures profit per month on Amazon. So make sure to go and get signed up if you guys are interested. Go to fbachampions.com. I'll include the link down below. Just go sign up. It's going to be a one-time payment of $42, and you guys are going to have complete access to everything. I've had people reach out to me saying that $42 was the best money I've ever spent. That $42 saved me thousands of dollars in mistakes. That is the purpose of this course, is it's going to save you money in the long run. It's a tiny initial investment. I wanted to make it accessible to everyone. So for $42, you're going to have complete access to everything that I know about FBA product research. So go down, hit the link down below, get signed up, and we will see you guys inside.